using tools that require zero coding skills, no hacking, no dark web servers, no technical degree, just mini-apps, chatbots, and a very clever playbook. That is exactly what the Femitbot network pulled off. And by the time most people noticed, victims across the globe had already lost crypto, data, and in some cases, their entire digital identity. Today we are breaking down how this scam network was built, how it spread, and what it tells us about the dangerous side of accessible platform tools. Femitbot, or Femitbot, is the name researchers gave to a large-scale fraud network built on Telegram bots and mini-apps used to run coordinated scam campaigns. The name Femitbot was identified by CTM360, a cybersecurity firm, who found it embedded in API responses shared across dozens of phishing domains, a sign of centralized infrastructure. The precise origin timeline of the operation has not been publicly established. What researchers documented is a mature, scalable infrastructure, one that was already operating at significant scale by the time it was publicly reported in May 2026. Femitbot was not one tool built by one person. CTM360 describes it as a modular, template-driven architecture, where operators can modify the branding, languages, and visual themes of campaigns while sharing a common back-end infrastructure. Think of it like a modular toolkit. The core infrastructure, phishing pages, fake dashboards, tracking systems, is already built. Operators can swap out the branding and target audience while the back-end stays the same. The bots were built using Telegram's official mini-app framework, which lets developers embed web applications directly inside the Telegram chat interface, meaning victims never had to leave the app to be scammed. That legitimacy is exactly what made Femitbot so effective. To an average user, these mini-apps looked and felt like real services. Researchers documented several types of fraud running across the Femitbot network. When a victim clicked Start on one of the fake bots, a mini-app would open showing what looked like a professional crypto investment dashboard, complete with fake balances, fake earnings, and countdown timers designed to create urgency. When users tried to withdraw their supposed profits, they were told they had to first deposit real money or complete referral tasks. This is the hallmark of an advance fee scam. Some Femitbot mini-apps distributed Android malware disguised as legitimate apps from well-known brands, including the BBC, Nvidia, and others. Users were prompted to sideload APK files, that is, install Android apps from outside the official Google Play Store. The APK files were hosted on the same domains as the phishing infrastructure and used valid TLS certificates to avoid triggering browser security warnings. Femitbot also impersonated major well-known brands across the crypto world, including BitGet, OKX, Binance, and MoonPay, as well as technology and media brands like Nvidia, BBC, Apple, Disney, and IBM. The wide range of impersonation was designed to maximize credibility across different audiences. The campaigns also used tracking mechanisms familiar from the legitimate advertising world, including conversion tracking scripts from Meta and TikTok, to monitor performance and optimize their reach. Here is where this story becomes relevant to anyone who follows platform security and digital fraud. Every layer of the Femitbot network was built by abusing tools and platform features designed for legitimate use. Telegram's mini-app framework, shared back-end infrastructure, and real-time analytics were all weaponized for fraud. What we can say, based on the documented evidence, is this. The infrastructure was designed to be reusable and rapidly deployable. Researchers described it as modular and template-driven, meaning operators could launch or relaunch campaigns quickly without rebuilding from scratch each time. That speaks to a broader truth that this case illustrates clearly. The same ecosystem of accessible development tools and open platforms that makes it easy to build legitimate products also lowers the barrier for bad actors. That conversation deserves to happen openly. The modular architecture of Femitbot means the infrastructure was designed for rapid redeployment. Operators could switch branding, languages, and campaign themes without rebuilding core systems. Telegram's enforcement systems face a real challenge here. Femitbot's modular, template-driven design was specifically built to enable fast redeployment, making takedown and reemergence a persistent cycle. The documented scope of Femitbot is global. CTM360 describes it as infrastructure abusing Telegram mini-apps to scale global fraud campaigns. No aggregate loss figure,